Hey Princeton K. Okay, we are getting ready to do our calendar math today. So we are looking to see what yesterday was. I don't have the number up for today. So yesterday was, do you remember what yesterday was? We said yesterday was a holiday. Not a day that we take off for a holiday, but it was a day called, remember what it was called? Yeah, it's called Cinco de Mayo. And we talked about the history of Cinco de Mayo. So yeah, yesterday was Tuesday, the 5th. So what does that mean today is? What comes after Tuesday? Yeah, Wednesday. So that means today's what? It's hump day. It's our favorite day of the week in Princeton K. I'm so excited. Make sure that after you watch this video, you look at the description at the bottom and you'll see our favorite camel and his hump day video. So make sure you go find that below, okay? So yesterday was the 5th. So that means today is the 6th. Yeah, today's the 6th. So I'm going to say the date for you, and I want you to say the date to somebody around you, okay? Here we go. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020, okay? One more time. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. So go ahead and say the date to somebody around you, your brother, sister, cousin, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, whoever's around you. Say the date and then come back and we'll finish doing a little bit of calendar math. So I have some cards today. So we haven't done subtraction in quite a while. So remember, subtraction means take away. Kind of has like this sign, remember? Subtraction looks like this side. Remember? Just a line going across, kind of like a dash, like when we do our date. So we're going to do something like that. But I have these cards here, and I'm going to read them to you. And let's see what they say. And we're going to be taking away. But in this case, we're going to either be crossing out or covering some dots. So here's what we're going to see. We have dots in a 10 frame, okay? Let's see, which way is better? We'll do it this way. So, we have dots in a 10 frame, okay? So, we see all these dots, and it's going to tell us in the instructions up here to cover some dots, or we can X them out, cross them out, and we need to see how many are left over, okay? So, let's see. We have our dots in a 10 frame, and it says, if you cover 2 dots, how many dots are left? So if we were to cover 2, or we can cross 2 out, so I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to cross 2 out, okay? I'm going to cross 2, I'm going to start at the top. Whoop. So I crossed 2 out. How many are left over? How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are left? 8. Yeah, so let's try and make a subtraction number sentence out of that, okay? So how many did I start with? I started with 10, right? 10. So I'm going to do, this is a little hard on this side, so I'm going to do 10. And then how many did I take away? I took away 2. So remember, we're going to use that subtraction sign, that dash. I took away 2. And how many do I have left over? How many did we say? 8. Yeah, so I'm just going to circle the number 8. And I'm going to put it at the end there. So 10, take away 2. That kind of looks like a Z. Equals 8. Okay, so let's do another one. We haven't done subtraction in a long time, so that's why we're going back and just reviewing it. Okay, let's look at this one. Same thing. We have 10 dots, and it wants us, let's see, if you cover or cross out 4 dots, how many dots are left? So how many do we need to cross out? Yeah, we need to cross out 4. So let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start by making a number sentence, okay? So we started out with how many? We started with 10 dots. So we have 10 minus or take away. So take away sign. How many did we take away? 4 equals, let's count how many do we have left. I want you to count. Starting up here, 1. How many? How many do we have? Yeah, we have 6 left. So 10 take away 4 equals 6. There we go. Okay, we'll do one more. You're doing so good, Princeton K. I'm so proud of you. Look at you remembering all this. Okay, last one. Same thing. 10 dots. Okay, what does it say? If you cover or cross out 3 dots, how many dots are left? So we need to cross out how many? 3. Let's cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's make our number sentence. We're starting off with how many? 10. Yep, 10. How many are we taking away? How many did it say? What number? How many do we cross out? 3. How many are left over, Princeton K? I want you to count. How many? If we're an easy way to find out how many do we have on the bottom? 5. And how many on top? 2. What do 5 and 2 make? 7. Yeah, 5 and 2 make 7. So that's how many we have left over. And that's our number. 5 and 2 make 7. So we know that 10 take away 3 equals 7. So that is it for today, Princeton K, for our calendar math. I'm so proud of you. We haven't done subtraction in such a long time, but you rocked it out. Keep it up. If you want to keep doing something like this, where you make a 10 frame and you just cross dots out and you make number sentences like this, do that. It's going to help your brain and help remember and review stuff that we did a while ago in math. So do that, and I'm going to be so proud. Keep it up, Princeton K, and I will see you in our math lesson for today.